Damn. And the other tool that you need for this, to do this job properly, is this one here. It's your chain tensioner retainer. The chain tensioner retainer. This one here. So it'll focus. Let's see if we can get that right. So you've got a chain tensioner retainer right there. And I'll show you, see if you can see, there we go. And that's a part number there, HCB A1214. That's the one there. And that goes when it goes in here, it fits right in there. When it goes down there, there's a little hole with a thread in it. That is part of this chain tensioning, hydraulic tensioner, and that pulls down there. When you screw this little nut in the middle here, the screw, it compresses and pushes this chain tensioner piston, plunger or piston, whatever you call it, pushes it down. And there's another one just like it on the opposite side underneath. It pulls the other one up, which allows you to have some slack in this chain here, so you can remove it. Okay. Make sure that that timing mark right there on the flywheel is right in the middle of that circle, of that hole there. Right down in there in the side. Right there in the side there. Let me see if I can lighten this thing up. Right there. Can't see it. There's a notch right in the side of that hole. and you gotta line that notch up, and it's roughly in this section right here underneath, so you have to feel around with your finger to actually see it. Actually give it a good clean before you do it, because it's hidden. Camshaft is, you know, camshafts are all in and they're all torqued down. They're all torqued down. Chain tensioner is in as well. So, you know, put in all the tiny marks that look like they're lining up. So apparently with these ones, to get the, what do you call this, to figure out where these marks should be, it's really difficult. So you actually have to count. You have to count the notches right here, the links in the chain links, right in there. Oh, right here on the camshaft. There's a little notch which should point to one of the links here, and then if you look at this link there, you count 16 links across, and it should be 16 should fall right up to above the next notch on the next camshaft. So this link here lines up with the notch on the camshaft just in here. And apparently that's how you get the timing right for the head, for the camshaft, sorry. And the crank mark, top dead centers there. I couldn't find, if you're gonna look for a timing mark on that side at the bottom of the crankshaft, you won't find it. On my engine, you can't find it. And this is for the BAM engine code, 1.8 liter for the Audi S3, and I think some Volkswagen Golfs have it as well, and Passats.